All right, everybody, let's take a look at how Python assigns values to variables. We understood the fact that we can have multiple assignments in a single line. So let's look at how this is actually done. Also, we said that Python is contextual sensitive. We don't need to specify the data type up front. Python will assign data type and storage appropriately. Python assigns 100 to counter. It is an integer, so it will show integer later. Miles will be 1000.0, which means that it stores a float or real number, and name is given a value of John. So it takes it as a string variable. Now remember that in Python, we don't have a data type. It is taken as a string of length 1, as we mentioned. You can print the variable. Also, we talked about assign values to multiple variables in the same statement. Now here, all the variables will have the same value. We have var1, var2, var3, all are assigned the value of 90. Let us print each variable and see each will be 90. Now it's not necessary that you have to have the same value in all cases. We can assign different types of values and different types of different variables in the same statement. Now when we do this, var1 has the value 80, var2 has now the value 92.75, var3 has the value John. 3 different values with 3 different variables. var3 is a string variable, var2 a real float number, and var1 is a number. So let us run and let us see how the output is. Now to run the program from idle, go ahead, select run in the menu and then click on the run module. Now you can see the output here. In the first case, var1, var2, and var3 all have the value of 90. In the second case, var1 is 80, var2 92.75, var3 is John. Now this is how you can set different values to different variables of the same time. We have quite a lot of functions available. Let's go ahead and import math module here so that we will be able to perform various math functions. Let's start with this. One function is here, abs minus 45, must get the value of 45. Okay. Now to find the smallest integer not less than the value ceil, it's minus 45.17. To get the exponential value of 45.17, to get the absolute value minus 45.17. All right, so you can also get largest integer floor of a particular real number. Then you also find out the largest of its arguments and smallest of its arguments at the same time. And also find out exponential of the number. For example, I can give 100 to the power of 2. Should give me 10,000. I can still do a little math. All right, let's run this to find out what the output is. Let's go to the run menu. We're going to click on run module. All right, now you get the absolute value of minus 45 is 45. Ceiling of minus 45.17 is minus 45. Exponential of minus 45.17. Now you can see how it shows 2.415006, and the absolute value of 45.17 is 45.17. Floor value of minus 45.17 is minus 46. It's here. Note the floor for negative number. Cool. All right. Now, then we have maximum of 80, 100, 1,000 is 1,000, and minimum is 80. And then the power of 100 to the power of 2, again 10,000, and the rounding option up to 3 decimals. All right, then we have square root of 100, that's 10. And this is how we do various mathematical functions. All pretty easy and even helps a math guy like me.